In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, just open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then select this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away in order to add them, or click on Folders section, hold the chosen one over here, and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!